If asking questions are 90%, I'm gonna give you the other 10%. This experience where you have a boss or a family member or a teacher who's bad at giving instructions, he's gonna say something like, pakikuha mo nga yung ganito doon. And he doesn't say exactly what he wants you to get and where exactly. So you have no idea and you get something else, and when you bring it back and it's like, hindi yan, tapos nagalit pa siya sa'yo. And that's a bad way to give instructions. So the more specific your instructions, the more specific you are with the steps, the more specific you are with the details, the easier it is for the other person to understand your instructions. And most of the time, so you're asking questions to your clients in order to give good instructions. The thing. In a call center, there's a metric called average handle time, and the best way to fix that is by giving more specific instructions. If your instructions are bad, the customer will take longer to understand what you're trying to say. Improving your skill in giving instructions is a very important part. This goes hand in hand with asking questions. Good instructions are very specific, and good instructions are helpful in getting hired. Remember that it should be step by step, and you should be really good at giving instructions. My favorite shortcut to giving good instructions is watching cooking shows on YouTube or watching cooking shows on TV, because you're gonna say that they're gonna go step by step. Step 1, cut the beef into cubes. Step 2, get your pan to a medium-high heat and then put your olive oil on the pan. Finally, slice your garlic or something like that, and then put your garlic in the pan until it's brown. And I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna stop now. Watch cooking shows. Eat while watching cooking shows, because after you watch cooking shows, you're gonna be really hungry.